lunch break when I need a little reset for the day. Today is Monday, it's February 2nd. And I just needed a little reset, so I drove up to the mountain to take a break. It's not far from my house, and I think I'm gonna put my feet in the water because of the full moon, the cycle. I need a little water cleanse. So I'll see you in a minute. For you, it'll be a second. It wasn't the one that I wanted because it was closed when we had that big rainstorm out here in San Bernardino. It pulled up the trees and it flooded, so it's still closed. But this is where I am right now. Feels good. It's really cold. It's so refreshing living close to the mountains instead of living in like the city, like LA or something. I'm gonna go home and cook some lunch, make some lunch, and then sign back on for work. But this was a little reset for the day. It's like 80 something degrees in February. And other countries and states are having like severe snowstorms. It feels so good out here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. I was wrong. It's 73 degrees. My bad. Still, boop, exterior 73. All right, you guys have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.